let's talk about switch mode power supply. Background, components, design, construction, layout, application.
A switch mode power supply, or SMPS, is an electronic circuit that converts power using switching devices that are turned on and off at high frequencies, and storage components such as inductors or capacitors to supply power when the switching device is in its non-conduction state. Switching power supplies have high efficiency and are widely used in a variety of electronic equipment, including computers and other sensitive equipment requiring stable and efficient power supply. Switch mode power supplies are classified according to the type of input and output voltages. The four major categories are AC to DC, DC to DC, DC to AC, and AC to AC.
Components of switch mode power supply: input, rectifier, and filter. Inverter consisting of switching devices such as MOSFET. Transformer, output rectifier and filter. Feedback and control circuit. The input DC supply from a rectifier or battery is fed to the inverter where it is turned on and off at high frequencies of between 20 kHz and 200 kHz by the switching MOSFET or power transistor.
As this design is intended for AC-DC conversion, alternating current will be the input AC. The input AC is rated for 110 volt in the USA and 220 to 230 volt for India. There are many more countries that employ various voltage range. SMPS often operate with a wide input voltage range. Little inductive and few resistive load are present on the output side. An SMPS structure might vary depending on the load. The load is considered to be a resistive load for this SMPS. There is no such thing as a resistive load. Load has at least some inductance and capacitance. In this case, it is believed that the load's inductance and capacitance are insignificant. For the SMPS to operate safely and reliability, a variety of protective circuit can be used. The protective circuit safeguard both the connected load and the SMPS. The protective circuit may be linked across the input or across the output depending on the position.
So as you can see here in this video, this is the PCB layout of the SMPS or switching mode power supply. So here are the top view of the PCB, the components area. There's a inductor, the capacitor, our switch, then a diode, a IC, a resistor, and transistors, and etc. This is the back portion of the PCB of our design.
Hi! As you already know the different theories and principles, classifications and types, and also even the illustrations and circuits, let's now talk about the applications of the switch mode power supply. Applications of switch mode power supply consists of used in servers or power stations and even in personal computers. It is also used in vehicles for charging batteries. Also in factories and industries for power, and also in railway system as well as in the security system. And for the last one, it is used in mobile and also in lighting. There are a lot of applications that used in switch mode power supply, and even it is widely used in a variety of electronics components and other sensitive equipment.